I hope it's really good because it's Malaysia. It's a one country I actually been to. I love amazing food, amazing culture. So let's see what it has to offer right here. Alright, we are moving. Yeah, we're going to Malaysia. Not quite, but at least we're going to Malaysian Pavilion, yes.
Yes, Malaysia.
What do you think? What's your guess on this one? Do you think it's legit? This one will
I
be.
think it will be fine, I think.
Alright. Well, let's check it out. Look at this.
The Sustainability District promotes the moving towards a path where our future we all live in balance with our only home, planet Earth. All of us joined forces, small actions grew into a positive global movement that will help communities protect and preserve the world around us. One of the major pavilions in this section is Malaysia.
Use image on surrounding trees, vegetations, and atmosphere, and protect lived.
The pavilion's Energizing Sustainability theme catches Malaysia's commitment to balance socio-economical progress with environmental concerns to ensure a secure and sustainable future.
You can get a really cool selfie because on the lights above, it's actually pretty cool. On this side, they talk about Malaysia's contribution to the technology.
The visitors will learn about the country's role in leading sustainable practice in aqua commodity business, as well as highlighting the country's people of diverse ethnicities with different cultures, traditions, heritage, and language living in harmony and contributing to country's progress, unity, and development. If you're an artsy type of person, you'll love the random street performance. And best of all, you are right in the middle of the action.
You also see a lot during the Expo. So that was pretty cool. And I think there's something going on down there again as well.
One of the remaining pavilions that open late is Russia. 3 weeks prior to the filming of this episode, Russia invaded Ukraine and started an unprovoked war, killing thousands of civilians. I thought about whether to include them in this episode, but realized people of Russia are all brainwashed into supporting the war. I'm going to showcase the pavilion, but won't say too much about it. The pavilion showcased a lot of Russia's technological innovations, but they left out one thing that Russia is good at.
Basically, it's demonstrating lots of things. Russia's people, one of them is actually technology. But one thing they probably forgot to add on is getting sanctions. They got the record sanctions. So hopefully Moscow 23 Pavilion, they should make sure to mention how proud they are being sanctioned by the world and how screwed over their populations are. Cooperation. They can come up with this theme and you just invaded our country. Like, what the heck? So with that being said, it's a little bit ironic. If you wonder if dinosaurs exist, I think you can find your answer right here. Oh.
Go back! Go back!
My friend and I ended the night with some checks and giggles, oftentimes childish. There's simply a lot of street performance going late into the night, until it's time for dinner, late dinner.